Hello everyone, this is Noah from 9to5software.com. In this video, we'll look at some of the best video editors for PC currently available on the market, and also include further options to consider. Check out the links in the description to get a free trial and a discount to the applications we look at. Before further ado, let's get started. Starting at number 3, we have CyberLink PowerDirector 365. At long last, CyberLink PowerDirector is available for Mac as well as Windows users, bringing a dazzling array of fun, advanced video editing features wrapped in a stunning, easy-to-use package to a new audience. CyberLink offers several versions of PowerDirector, PowerDirector Ultra and Ultimate. They are both one-time purchases. However, 365 costs $70 a year. It is a subscription model, but it comes with Shutterstock integration, also providing unlimited access to CyberLink's background music and video editing plugins. Moving on, at number 2, we have Wondershare Filmora. Filmora by Wondershare is a very simple and easy to use video editing software. It has a short learning curve, so it's perfect for those just getting started with video editing. Even if you've never used a video editing software before, you can use this intuitive and easy to navigate editor to create your first video. As your skills improve, you can take advantage of the advanced editing features this tool offers, such as noise removal, speed control, color tuning, and much more. You will also find a library of visual effects and built-in titles that are designed with YouTubers in mind. There's also a library of royalty-free music and sound effects you can use in your videos. The most recent release added features like motion graphics, color matching, and a keyboard shortcuts editor to help you create your own time-saving workflows. There is also a free mobile app for editing videos on the go and simply uploading to Instagram or YouTube. The premium version costs $70 for a lifetime payment, or you can choose to pay $45 per year. There is also a free version available which has all the same features as the paid version. However, your videos will have their company watermark present. If you want unlimited downloads from the stock film library, then there is bundle plan for $105 per year. On top of our list, at number 1, we have Adobe Premiere Pro. It is the best all-around video editing software. It's the industry standard for professionals in Hollywood, television, and is even used by popular YouTubers. It's cross-platform compatible and works on both Mac and Windows. If you're already an Adobe user and are using other products like Photoshop, After Effects, or Adobe Stock, then it makes sense to use Premiere Pro since it integrates with the other products seamlessly. It supports the latest 4K, 8K, and VR video formats and can handle multi-angle shots. It also has advanced trimming and editing tools to give you high levels of control. There are robust color grading, color correction, and compositing features. Plus, there's a chroma key options to remove backgrounds for green screen videos. You can import from virtually any source or format, and you have an unlimited number of video tracks to flex your creativity. You will even find automated tools with the Adobe Sensei technology, which works to help speed up the editing process. Finally, there are a ton of exporting options. You can easily export directly to YouTube, Vimeo, Instagram, and more.